Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's craft time. Today we will be making a taco based on the famous children's book, Dragons Love Tacos, written by Adam Rubin. You can check it out through the library under our Hoopla and Access 360 app. For today's craft, you will need a paper plate, a pair of scissors, a brown crayon, color pencil or marker, and green, red, brown, orange construction paper. You're first gonna take your paper plate and we're gonna turn it over so the bubble side is facing up. You will then take your brown crayon, color pencil or marker, and you will color the outside of the paper plate. Once you're done with that, you're gonna take your green construction paper and we're gonna cut it into strips. You can cut it hamburger style or hot dog style, doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it this way. The green will be for your lettuce, the red will be for your tomatoes, the brown will be for your taco meat, and the orange is gonna be for your cheese. And you can cut as much or as little as you want. I took a half sheet of my construction paper. I didn't use the whole thing, but if you'd like to, you can. After you cut those out, you're gonna fold them back and forth, like so. And that'll give your lettuce some texture. Your lettuce should then look like this. And you're gonna do that to all of your lettuce. And then once you're done with that, you can put your lettuce to the side. And then you're gonna grab your red construction paper for your tomatoes. And we're gonna draw circles. They don't have to be perfect. And you can you can cut them as little or as big as you want. I'm going to do a variety of sizes. I don't like a lot of tomatoes in my taco, so I'm gonna leave it as that. And I'm gonna put those to the side. And then you're gonna take your brown construction paper and you're gonna cut them into little squares or big squares. And there's your taco meat. And then we're gonna put this to the side. And then you're gonna take your orange construction paper and you're gonna make cheese strips out of those for your shredded cheese. Cheese. All right, then you're gonna bring back your taco shell and we're gonna fold it in half so the side that you colored is on the outside. Now you've got your taco shell and you can take your ingredients and you can stuff your taco or fill your taco. Put some cheese in there. Put some tomatoes. Put some more lettuce. Some more ground meat. Some more cheese. Put some on this side. And there you have it. You have made your very own taco. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this craft and this video.